In front of me is Doogee S Punk, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear one first. Select voice typing and use this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on now visible microphone. Select while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you need to pause when you talk, or you can click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!